If you want to set up face unlock feature on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you want to open the settings. Now over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you need to find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Enter your screen lock password over here in order to continue. Then in here we should be able to find add face data option, so we're just gonna use it. Of course, in order to set it up you need to have a screen lock password created, so make sure that you have one. Enter your screen lock password once again in order to continue. Then over here we have a little instruction. We want to make sure that all parts of our face are clearly visible. You should not wear hats, masks, sunglasses or other accessories. So over here select that you have read and agreed to the face data and screen lock privacy statement, and we can press this start button. Now over here we have the information that the face unlock feature is less secure than a typical password and fingerprint. But of course, if you still want to set it up, just tap on continue. You will open the front camera and you want to put your face inside that frame and begin scanning. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on this done button, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.